Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the Cybersecurity Show. In this video, let's talk about cybersecurity for beginners. I'm going to talk about all the soft and technical skills required to really put you ahead of the pack. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So let's get into it, right? What are the most important soft skills for a cybersecurity career? The most important soft skills for a successful cybersecurity career are communication skills, because you're going to be talking with people who may not be as tech savvy as you, right? Cybersecurity professionals must be able to clearly explain complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, management, and colleagues, right? You can risk offending people if you just assume that they know things, right? So strong written and verbal communication abilities are crucial for roles like, cybersecurity analysts that require presenting findings and recommendations. Next, problem solving, okay? Problem solving. So the ability to think critically, analyze situations from multiple angles, and find creative solutions is essential for identifying and mitigating cyber threats. Cybersecurity involves solving complex, constantly evolving challenges across diverse technologies. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button right now. Next, attention to detail, right? Cybersecurity demands a meticulous approach to detect vulnerabilities, anomalies, and risks that could lead to data breaches. Professionals must have an eye for detail when conducting security audits, penetration testing, and implementing security controls. And then let's get into another one now, right? Continuous learning. So with the rapid pace of technological change and emerging cyber threats, a commitment to continuous learning and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices is indispensable. And when you are in this field, there's going to be a lot of teamwork and collaboration, right? So cybersecurity requires coordinated efforts across teams and departments. Professionals must collaborate effectively with colleagues to build trust and work towards a common goal of securing the organization. And in this space, when a cyber attack happens, etc., things of that nature, you're gonna have to compose yourself under pressure. Cybersecurity teams must remain calm and level-headed when responding to security incidents, data breaches, or cyber attacks, which can be high-stress situations. Developing a strong combination of these soft skills that I just talked about, along with technical expertise, is crucial, is vital for success in cybersecurity roles, no matter which you are, right? And for advancing to leadership positions in this dynamic space, field, whatever you want to call it. There are so many things that come across with this. Now, is there a soft skill that I didn't say that you feel is required? Please let me know in the comment section below. Let's get this situation started, right? So here are the basic cybersecurity skills needed from a technical perspective. So number one, networking and system administration. So understanding networking fundamentals like data transmission, routers, firewalls, etc., and being able to configure and maintain computer systems. So let's put that to the side. Now let's get into some common networking verbiage and some domains and some things that you're going to have to know in this respect. So there's something called DNS, domain name system, which is a common protocol used on corporate networks that allow users to access network resources by name instead of memorizing IP address. The next one we have is file transfer protocol, also known as FTP. And that is a protocol used to transfer files between a client and a server and uses TCP for reliable data transfer. Next, we have transmission control protocol, TCP. And that is a common protocol that establishes reliable connections for exchanging data packets across a network. And then we have user datagram protocol, UDP, which is a protocol that operates at the transport layer of the OSI model and is often used in real-time applications because of its speed. So we talked about that. Now let's get into operating systems, right? So strong knowledge of operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, as well as virtual machines is a very important tool to have, right? So as in your right here. So familiarity with Kali Linux, right, for penetration testing. So here are some common operating systems that you must familiarize yourself with. Obviously, we have Microsoft Windows, which is a graphical operating system developed by Microsoft with the current version, Windows 11, Windows 10, pick it, whatever you want to do. So next we have Linux, and a popular Unix-based operating system that can be used for both personal and server purposes. And then we have Unix, right? A stable open source operating system that can be used for both desktop and server environments, right? And then in that regard, we have NetWare, which is a server operating system that supports multiple, right, or what they call multiprocessors, which is large capacity physical memory management and file sharing and printing functions. And then we put that to the side. The next thing is, as far as a technical skill set, is network security controls. Okay, so the ability to implement and manage network security measures like firewalls, intrusion detection / prevention systems, VPNs, etc. That's another one. The next one we have is programming, and depending on your role, right? But in regards to programming, proficiency in languages like Python, Java, C++, etc. is something that you're going to want to know, right? You're going to want that for tasks like scripting, automation, and penetration testing. Number 5, databases, right? Understanding database platforms like MySQL for data storage and management. Some of the common databases are Oracle, right? The Oracle database was developed by the company, namely Oracle Corporation. The name of the Oracle developer was Lawrence Ellison, and it was developed in year 1977, right? So you're going to want a mixture of things that have been here for a while and the new things, right? So another kind of database is the MySQL, and that is an open source database that is most widely used across the globe. This database was developed in the year 1995. Later in 2009, Oracle acquired MySQL. The term SQL stands for Structured Query Language, okay? Structured Query Language. The next kind of database is MongoDB, and I believe it is also used by Toyota and other companies along that sense. So MongoDB is an open source database developed in the year 2009 by a company, namely Tengen Software. It stores data in the form of a document and collections, which means the data are not stored using rows and columns. The schema of this database is dynamic. There are key value pairs in the MongoDB database, which is the basic unit of this database. Lastly, ethical hacking, right? Learning hacking techniques and mindset to identify vulnerabilities and defend against attacks. You're gonna want to think from an ethical hacker standpoint and a black hat standpoint, right? So you can understand both sides and how you can help better protect a company or yourself, etc. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.